Hey there, drone fans. Today I'd like to show you one of the coolest flight modes on the DJI Neo 2 drone. It's called Dolly Zoom, and if you've never seen this effect, boy, are you in for a treat. Now, this was originally pioneered by Alfred Hitchcock a lot of years ago. I think the first time he used it was in Psycho, or it might have been North by Northwest, but when I first saw this effect, it's unsettling because what it does essentially visually is the subject, me, will stand still, and the background behind me will pull back or pull in. It's extremely unsettling. And the way DJI implemented it in the drone is automatically, when you push the button, the drone will fly away from you as it's zooming in on you. So it looks like you're standing still, but the background is moving. And as it's flying back towards you, it'll zoom out. So it does a really good job of automatically capturing that dolly zoom effect. Now you can certainly do this on your own, but you have to be a really good pilot because you're gonna have to have the drone fly away from you manually while you're pulling the zoom in, which is really tricky to do to get that timing right. And DJI built it into the drone through software. So what I'm gonna do is head out over there in the woods, and I'll show you a couple of examples of how it works. And for me, I use it occasionally. I don't use it a lot, but if you've got a scene in your video where you've got to emphasize sort of an unsettled or a kind of confused situation, it's perfect for that. It's also great at Halloween. You can put a really nice little reel together, with some spooky music behind it, and it looks really good. So stay tuned. I'll take you out there in the woods and show you how it works. Okay, before you head out to try this feature, make sure that you've loaded it onto one of the slots on the drone as an option, and you can do that through the application. You can move them around, you can move certain ones in and certain ones out. I've already got it loaded up on the drone, so all I have to do now is select it.
Dolly zoom.
There it is. I'll put the drone in my hand.
Full dolly zoom.
And I'll launch it.
3, 2, 1.
All right, drone's gonna take off. It's gonna back up a little bit, find the focus, make sure that I'm in the center of it, and then fly away from me as it's creating that effect. So it's pulling back as it's zooming in. It's gonna fly to a certain distance away from me, stop, and then fly back towards me as it's pulling zoom out. And you're gonna see that amazing effect. So you'll actually get two clips, one with it flying away and one with it flying back, and you'll see the background behind me either tilt towards me or pull away from me. I'm telling you, this drone is absolutely amazing. And it's just that easy to get it working. Okay, how cool was that? Now that's an automatic feature built into the Neo 2 drone, and some other drones have it, but I love the fact that I can take this with me out in the woods without a controller, without a phone, without anything, put it in my hand, select the mode, hit a button, and have it do what I need it to do, and then come back and land right in my hand. And that dolly zoom is just one of the features that the Neo 2 has as part of its flight mode. So for me, I like the fact that I can use it with a phone, I can use it with a controller, I can use it with the gyroscopic controller and fly like an FPV, or I can just use it on my palm like this, and it does everything I need. So hopefully you found this quick tutorial helpful. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, as always, happy flying.